Hey guys, this week I have something different I want to share with you. This morning I came in and I got a before and after from a lady out of Santa Fe, New Mexico, and she inspired me to stop and look at what it is that we do. And I was really proud of these results. Guys, I look at the fact that from here to Santa Fe, New Mexico, there's a lot of people that she could have made a lot of choices with, but she trusted me to be her smile designer, and I think the results are amazing. I thank her the world for sending me her pictures. A lot of people are lucky if they can enjoy their job for what it affords them to do with the rest of their life. This is what I do. This is what I do on the weekends. This is what I do for fun. Without rambling, I want to tell you, these are two clients that stood out to me. I remember this lady, Karina. I've never met Karina. Karina's never met me. But over the years, she sent me pictures after pictures after pictures. Other than that, I haven't had any contact with her, but she continues to let me know through her pictures where that smile goes. Guys, I want you to know my number one concern with my work is I know I'm not going to be there when you're using the smile that I designed for you. This young lady was one of the first ladies that trusted me on a really high level to deliver her smile. And I remember it. I remember hers being exceptional at the time. Since then, we do them every day. Since then, it's nothing. We get these kind of smiles all the time. I have one more lady I want to tell you about. Her name's Brittany, and she's out of Houston. Brittany's smile is too small and it's rescinded too far back in her mouth. She trusted me years ago, and since then, every month, every few months, I see more and more pictures about how that smile has went on to help her do different things. I've seen her character develop. I've definitely seen her smile develop. And I remember that we were designing these smiles at this level all the way back in 2010, 11, 12, 14, 15. I feel like that when I design someone's smile, that they won't have to go on to a different smile. They're not buying it until they can afford a dentist. They're buying it so they don't have to afford the dentist. And I'm going to show you some more pictures that have just come in recently, and I'm just as proud of the work that I do for these people. When I look at what these clients do with the smiles that we design, I have to tell you it's been incredible. Thank you for watching this week. I hope you like these other smiles. This gives you a chance to get to know me. The one way you can prove that someone actually knows me is they literally will tell you he absolutely, fanatically loves the work that he does. These clients have made this job incredible. Thank you.